Welcome to AskPrep, your trusted companion for UPSC and IAS preparation. Today we will study about a very important topics of Indian economy, which is small-scale industries, which are the backbone of India's industrial sector, play a pivotal role in the economic development of the country. These industries, by definition, are enterprises that produce goods and services on a relatively small scale compared to large-scale industries, with investment and manpower being modest. Let's begin by understanding what small-scale industries actually are. In India, SSIs are defined as industries where investment in plant and machinery does not exceed a certain limit. For manufacturing enterprises, this limit is 10 crore rupees, while for service enterprises, it is 5 crore rupees. The categorization is important because it helps the government formulate policies and schemes that promote the growth of these industries, offering them subsidies, tax benefits, and easier access to finance. The importance of small-scale industries cannot be overstated. First, they contribute significantly to employment generation. With limited capital, SSIs create millions of jobs across the country. In fact, the small-scale sector is one of the largest employers in India, providing livelihood to a wide segment of society, especially in rural and semi-urban areas. Second, SSIs contribute significantly to the production of a variety of goods. From textiles and food products to machine parts and electronic components, small-scale industries cater to both the domestic and international markets. This diversity of products not only helps meet the country's internal demand but also strengthens its export capacity. Third, SSIs are crucial for regional development. In a country as vast and diverse as India, small-scale industries help in ensuring that industrialization doesn't remain confined to a few metro cities but spreads across smaller towns and rural areas. This decentralization of economic activity leads to balanced regional growth, reducing the pressure on already overstressed urban areas. Now, let's explore some of the key advantages that small-scale industries offer. First and foremost, the capital requirement for setting up SSIs is comparatively low, which makes it easier for entrepreneurs to enter the market. This low barrier to entry promotes self-employment and fosters innovation in the economy. Furthermore, small-scale industries are highly flexible in terms of production. They can quickly adapt to changes in consumer demand, unlike large industries that may take time to reconfigure their operations. This adaptability makes SSIs particularly resilient to economic changes. Another significant advantage is that SSIs are labor-intensive rather than capital-intensive. This characteristic is vital in a developing economy like India, where there is an abundant supply of labor. The more labor-intensive a sector is, the more employment opportunities it can generate. As a result, SSIs contribute directly to the reduction of unemployment and poverty in India. Despite these advantages, small-scale industries in India face several challenges. One of the most significant problems they encounter is the lack of access to finance. Banks and financial institutions tend to be cautious when lending to small-scale businesses due to their perceived higher risk. Moreover, SSIs often face issues with the availability of raw materials, which can impact production. Another challenge is the lack of technological upgradation. Many small-scale industries operate with outdated machinery, which affects their productivity and quality. In an era where technology and innovation are the key drivers of growth, SSIs often find themselves at a disadvantage. Competition from both domestic and international markets further adds to the pressure. Imported goods, often cheaper and of better quality, can threaten the survival of small-scale industries. Domestic competition is also fierce, especially with the increasing globalization of markets. Additionally, the lack of proper infrastructure, including transportation, electricity, and water supply, poses significant challenges for small-scale industries, particularly in rural and remote areas. These deficiencies not only increase operational costs but also lead to inefficiencies in production. However, the Government of India has recognized these challenges and introduced several schemes and initiatives to support the growth of SSIs. The Small Industries Development Bank of India, SIDBI, has been at the forefront of providing financial assistance to small-scale industries. It offers various financial products like term loans, working capital finance, and venture capital funding to help these industries expand and modernize. Additionally, the government's Make in India initiative has also provided a much-needed boost to SSIs by encouraging innovation, improving the ease of doing business, and promoting Indian products in global markets. The introduction of the Goods and Services Tax (GST) has simplified the tax structure, benefiting small-scale industries by reducing the tax burden. Other initiatives, such as the Prime Minister's Employment Generation Program (PMEGP), have been launched to provide financial assistance to new and existing small-scale industries. These schemes not only help in setting up SSIs but also aid in their technological upgradation and marketing. Despite these government efforts, there is still much that needs to be done to ensure that small-scale industries thrive in India. For instance, there needs to be a concerted effort to improve infrastructure in rural and semi-urban areas, ensuring that SSIs have access to reliable resources. Additionally, a greater focus on skill development and training is needed to ensure that workers in SSIs are equipped with the knowledge and expertise required to meet the demands of the modern marketplace. As a UPSC or IAS aspirant, it's crucial to understand the intricate relationship between small-scale industries and India's economic landscape. A well-developed small-scale sector can play a transformative role in achieving balanced, inclusive growth in the country. As you prepare for your exams, keep in mind that small-scale industries are not only an essential part of the industrial sector but also an avenue for sustainable development, job creation, and regional empowerment. In conclusion, small-scale industries in India are an essential part of the nation's economic framework. They contribute to employment, regional development, and the production of goods, all while offering numerous advantages like low capital requirements, flexibility, and labor-intensive operations. However, challenges such as lack of finance, outdated technology, and competition must be addressed for the sector to fully realize its potential. The role of the government and various schemes to support small-scale industries is crucial in ensuring their growth. For tuning into this detailed discussion on small-scale industries in India. Don't forget to subscribe to AskPrep for more content that will help you in your UPSC and IAS preparation.